In the assembly, there is a lot of the components are included with each other, that is assembled within each other. I want to separate the display state of each and every component. Means if you use a display state throughout the component, get changed its display state of its display point of view, that is an either wireframe or shaded with edges, all that under similar kind of you can able to change it, but it is possible to change it individually. Yes, right click on the specific type of the component. Under that there is a particular tab called component display. In this component display you can change the display state. Look at the display state of the first component is an wireframe. Then again the second component is nothing but a clutch cover. Right click and component display, change it into hidden lines removal. Look at it, first component is an wireframe, second component is an hidden display. Okay, hidden lines is removed. Then the third component we are going to add an appearance. If you use one simple display state at the top of its quick tab, means we can able to apply it completely. That is an entire assembly will be gets changed its display state. That's why I use a simple method. Thank you.